Okay, so quick YouTube, DNS projects, go down to that like and subscribe. So I'm just changing out these roof lights. Undo your screw, you've got this crap on the bottom. You're gonna have to just pry up. See, there's a tab there. I just kept pulling up till it popped off. I mean, I got a new one. You have to buy the whole assembly. Not cheap. Anyways, this stuff can be a bit of a bugger. So what I did was just go from the front, and as you can see, then you can just peel this off nice and slow. This way you don't have to try to get all that glue off. Nice sunny day. So if it's not, I would recommend bringing this into a shop or like a garage if you got it, whatever. Use a little bit of heat, just makes that glue a little bit more pliable. And then you can see you just got a tab, so I'm going to take that off because I'm going to use both hands here. Place that on there, clip it in. Before we do that, got some rubbing alcohol here. We're going to put that on there and just kind of clean it up a bit. Just going to pour some on the surface. Take that off, boom, glue her on, and away you go. Thanks for watching DNS Projects. Go down to that like and subscribe button. And like I say, I'm just going to clean this up, stick the light on. That easy, no leaks, boom. So if you can see it there, one thing I'm going to mention, you got a rubber seal, make sure you pop that rubber seal off the light. And then, yeah, just take off your backing, pop it in there, and away you go. So we're going to tighten this down, not crazy, just enough to kind of squish that, and away you go.